After you know this, you will never charge your cell phone in the same way ever again. Cell phone sellers hide this secret from you, and they will be upset with me when I tell you. It is normal that when using the phone for a long time, the battery of the cell phone runs out completely, and you need to charge it again. What most people do is take the charger in this way and connect it directly from the plug. A large number of people place the cell phone right on the floor near the plug. But this can be dangerous, since someone could pass by and not notice that the phone is there, and thus step on the screen, leaving it unusable. Other people leave the phone charging right next to the bed at bedtime, but this can be harmful. Today, I will show you an incredible solution that will help you charge your phone the right way and taking care of it so that it does not suffer any damage. And all this using only a sheet of paper. The first thing you should do is place the sheet on a flat surface. For this part, you should take some object that is round. In my case, I took a cover from a cologne. Now, with the help of a pencil, we are going to trace both ends of the sheet in a circular way. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Sylvester Roman from Mexico and for Maria Vidal from Peru. For the following, we will need a scissors. Now we cut just above where I had traced. Soon you will see the interesting part of this. Once this is done, we are going to put the cell phone on top and connect the charger. Then we fold the sheet so that the two circles that we cut are even. Then we take it right to the plug and put the hole right on top. Now we take the other end that has the charger head and connect it. Look at how it looks. In this way, the cell phone is fixed and does not hinder someone who goes by. And at the same time, you protect the screen from possible accidents. If you got here, leave me the phrase so I'll charge the cell phone. So I'll know you watched the whole video.